We all admire yoga as an exquisite and applied form of exercise and muscle relaxation. The core motive of yoga is protecting your body and taking care of it through stretching and meditation. We have selectively picked these yoga workouts with the intention to make the maximum impact on your life. In today's episode on Genius Insight, we present you with the best yogas that will change your life. Let's get started. Number 1, Superman pose. Lay flat on your belly with your toes flat on the floor. Reach your arms out to the sides with your palms flat on the floor. Bring your legs together. Inhale and lift as much of your body off of the mat as you can. Draw your hands down by your hips. On an exhale, raise your thighs and chest high up off the mat and press your feet into your hands to open your shoulders. Instead of raising everything up, bring a gentle awareness to the breath. As you extend, take a moment to feel yourself extend and lift everything up even higher. Hold for 8 breaths and then lower your body down. This pose stretches and strengthens your chest, shoulders, arms, legs, and glutes. Keeps your back flexible, improves your circulation, and energizes you. Number 2, boat pose. Begin in a seated position with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Lift your feet off the floor. Keep your knees bent at first. Bring your shins parallel to the floor. This is half boat pose. Your torso will naturally fall back, but do not let the spine around. Straighten your legs to a 45-degree angle. You want to keep your torso as upright as possible so that it makes a V shape with the legs. Roll your shoulders back and straighten your arms roughly parallel to the floor with your palms turned up. Do your best to balance on the sit bones, but it's normal if you are resting slightly behind them. Focus on lifting your chest to support the balance. Stay for at least 5 breaths. Release your legs on an exhale, then inhale and sit up. Boat pose builds abdominal and core strength. In addition to the abdominal muscles, it works the deep hip flexors. These muscles get weak when you sit too much. It will also help you build your balance. That was the video, guys. If you enjoyed that, please leave a like and a comment, Yoga 2 for part 2 of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the icon for the notifications of our latest videos. Thanks for watching. Remember, keep your inner genius alive.